Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dave with QuickJack and welcome to another video. We're going to be changing oil today, as if you probably couldn't tell with the stuff we've got on the table. Oil changes are one of those things that we're always doing, right? It's probably the most common thing we're doing in our home garages. That said, one of the big questions we get asked a lot is how much room do I have to work underneath my car when it's raised on QuickJack? And an oil change is a perfect time to show you exactly that. Now, I'm a pretty big dude, so the odds are if I have enough space to work, you're gonna have plenty of room to work. To do this job today, we're gonna be using the QuickJack BL 5000 SLX with the tall blocks. Now, these are the tall set of blocks that come standard when you buy your QuickJack kit. Today's car is gonna be a 2017 Ford Fusion Energy plug-in hybrid, which is actually a first for me because I've never done anything on a hybrid. So without any further ado, let's get to work.